Ever dreamed of soaring through the vast expanse of space, not in a tin can, but in a sleek, investment-grade spaceship? Well, spaceship might just be the ticket, or maybe it's a one-way trip to financial oblivion. Spaceship isn't your average mutual fund. It's an innovative, tech-focused platform that promises to revolutionize your investing journey. But before you strap on your metaphorical spacesuit and blast off, let's take a deep dive and see if Spaceship is truly a superfund or just a fancy name for a risky ride. Buckle up, understanding Spaceship's mission. Spaceship positions itself as a one-stop shop for all things investing. They offer a curated basket of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, essentially pre-built portfolios containing a mix of stocks and bonds that cater to different risk appetites. Sounds familiar? It should. Many traditional mutual funds operate similarly. But Spaceship goes a step further. They leverage technology to automate rebalancing, provide fractional shares to invest with any amount, and boast a sleek, user-friendly app. This streamlined approach appeals to a new wave of investors, particularly millennials and Gen Z, who crave convenience and tech-driven solutions. Ignition sequence, the pros of Spaceship. So, why all the hype? Here are some reasons Spaceship might be the perfect launchpad for your investment journey. Low fees. Compared to traditional actively managed funds, Spaceship boasts lower fees. This means a larger chunk of your hard-earned cash stays invested, potentially leading to higher returns in the long run. Fractional shares. Forget the days of needing a lump sum to invest. With fractional shares, even a small amount can get you started, making investing more accessible for everyone. Automation. Say goodbye to manual rebalancing headaches. Spaceship automatically adjusts your portfolio based on market fluctuations, ensuring your desired asset allocation stays on track. Convenience. The user-friendly app makes investing a breeze. It's all there at your fingertips, from monitoring performance to making quick adjustments. Houston, we might have a problem. The downsides of Spaceship. Now, before you hit the Invest Now button with reckless abandon, let's consider some potential drawbacks. Limited choice. Unlike traditional investing platforms, Spaceship doesn't offer a wide variety of individual stocks or bonds. You're essentially limited to their pre-built ETF baskets. Higher risk. While ETFs offer diversification, they inherently carry some risk. If the underlying markets those ETFs track take a tumble, so will your portfolio. Newer player. Spaceship, while innovative, is a relatively new player in the investment game. This lack of a long-term track record can be concerning for some investors who prefer established institutions. Fees still exist, though lower than actively managed funds. Spaceship does have fees. Be sure to understand their fee structure before diving in. Charting your course. Is Spaceship right for you? The truth? It depends. Here's a quick checklist to help you navigate the decision. Investing experience. If you're a beginner, Spaceship's automation and user-friendly interface can be a boon. But seasoned investors might crave more control. Risk tolerance. Spaceship leans towards the higher risk spectrum. Are you comfortable with some volatility? Investment goals. Are you saving for a short-term goal or a long-term retirement plan? Spaceship might be better suited for longer horizons. Mission control. Final thoughts. Spaceship isn't a superfund in the traditional sense. It's a tech-driven platform offering a convenient and potentially cost-effective way to invest in a diversified portfolio. However, it's not a magic bullet. Remember, all investments come with inherent risk. Do your research, understand your risk tolerance, and consider your financial goals before hopping on board. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.